Hello everyone, I'm Jason from Rimmer Lighting, and today I want to share with you the many fine products from Glamox for marine, offshore, and wind applications for lighting. Glamox was started in 1947 in Norway as a metal treatment company. Glamox is the current leader in marine lighting, especially for industrial and hazardous conditions. Glamox is the world leader in certification for specialized lighting and quality assurance. Glamox is also the world leader in certifications for quality assurance, explosion certifications, and EN standards for worker safety. Glamox is also a company that prides itself in its sustainability. As you know, lighting consumes more than 15% of the world's electricity, and it accounts for about 5% of the world's greenhouse gas emissions. At Glamox, they are able to save up to 90% of energy on some projects. In addition to that, they've drastically reduced their packaging to save about 2.6 tons of plastic per year. In addition to that, they're also recycling their old aluminum fixtures and reusing aluminum for many different projects. Here are some of the applications that Glamox covers in the marine world. Workboats and response vessels. This includes rescue vessels, ferries, workboats, and fishing boats of all sizes, and various other boats. The next application would be offshore wind. This includes fixed and floating turbines, substations and topsides, and the vessels that are usually used for those type of projects. Navy and Coast Guard. Navy and Coast Guard lighting includes navigation lighting, floodlights, searchlights, interior and exterior technical lighting, explosion-proof lighting, helicopter visual landing aid lighting, and they usually use a good, better, best scenario. So depending on the requirements of the project, obviously good would be the basic requirements for marine applications, and better would have more certifications, with best being the most certifications, including vibration testing. In addition to the applications I mentioned before, there is also night adaptation lighting, interior lighting, emergency and rescue lighting, submarine lighting, and of course there's always going to be areas, living area lighting. And the next application is commercial marine lighting. The commercial marine lighting would include some of the same type of lighting: navigation lights, control panels, searchlights, the open deck, the safe area of the deck, and then the open deck for the explosion hazardous area. For indoor applications, it's everything from the bridge to the engine room to any type of decks for moving cars and trucks to cold and freezer rooms. Of course, the hazardous explosion areas, all the living areas in the hospital, ferry lines. Some of the same type of situations. You're going to have shopping areas, accommodation areas, dining areas with some of the same human-centric type of lighting that they use. They also have a hospital. They're going to have a galley and laundry rooms and technical rooms. And they'll also have a bridge. In addition to that, they will have hazardous areas. The next application is offshore energy. And that would include lighting for living areas, harsh and hazardous environments, non-explosion areas with marine approved products, non-explosion areas for industrial and harsh safe areas. The last of their main applications would be onshore energy. Onshore energy would include refineries, petrochemical complexes, tank farms for storing crude oil and petroleum products, and obviously a lot of the basic lighting too. These are the main applications for Glamox for marine use. As you can see, they have many references from across the world. All of this information is available, as you can see, on the website. You can look at light management systems from Glamox to see how they've saved up to 90% on many projects. They have it divided into segments. Which is somewhat similar to the applications. Glamox is a very unique brand for unique applications. Some of the benefits of using Glamox. minimizing downtime for your workers, the safety of the workers. You'll be able to comply with mandates and regulations and other stipulations. Energy savings can be 60, 70, 80, sometimes up to 90%. In all living areas, Glamox employs human-centric lighting that accounts for circadian rhythm. Glamox manufactures the highest quality explosion-proof, hazardous conditions, harsh conditions, and marine conditions lighting in the whole world. Thank you for your attention on this short introduction to Glamox. If you have any questions, please email me at jason@rimmerlighting.com or call me at 480-295-6544. Thank you so much.